In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a Perplexity conversation as a PDF. We're going to keep this simple and clear so you can follow along without any guesswork. First, head over to Perplexity using your browser or the app. You can either start a brand new conversation or use one of your past conversations. In this walkthrough, I'll be using a past conversation so we can save an existing thread. Open the conversation you want to export. Give it a moment to fully load, especially if it's a longer thread. It's a good idea to scroll through quickly so everything is visible. This helps ensure that the content you want appears in the final file and that nothing is accidentally left out. Once you're in the thread, scroll down until you see the download icon. It typically looks like a downward pointing arrow and is usually found near the top or alongside the conversation controls, depending on your device and layout. If you don't spot it immediately, move slowly through the page. It's easy to miss if you scroll too fast. Click on Download. When you do, a small menu will appear with file options. Choose PDF. This is the most convenient format for sharing, printing, or archiving your conversation while preserving its layout. After selecting PDF, Perplexity will generate the file. This can take a few seconds if the thread is long, so just wait until the process completes. Your browser will then save the file, usually to your default Downloads folder. If your system asks where to save it, pick a location you'll remember. Keeping it in a project folder or renaming it with a clear title can make it easier to find later. If you don't see a prompt, check your recent downloads to confirm the file is there. Before you're done, it's worth opening the PDF to make sure everything looks right. Confirm that the entire conversation appears as expected and that images, code blocks, or long answers are formatted clearly. If something looks cut off, return to the conversation, scroll through to load more content, and download again. And that's it. Once you click PDF, you're done. You've successfully exported your Perplexity conversation in a format that's easy to keep, share, or print. If you want to repeat this process for other threads, just open each one and follow the same steps. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you organize and save your conversations efficiently.